Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Torchlight Infinite gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here expand human interface devices, select controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, check whether gamepad or controller is not working, issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to enable disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether the issue is resolved or not. If not, again come back, you select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and here your gamepad or controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon and click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now go to settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else and here you have to add your controller. Once you add it, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. If there is any update available, try to launch the game again and then check whether it's working or not. So you will be able to see an update option if there is available, and after you update the game, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tools. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and it will go to the next page. From here you have to select DS4 Windows tool, download it. Now after downloading it, install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Torchlight Infinite game again and then check for the error whether it is resolved or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on Torchlight Infinite game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.